This is Ben Stout with Ben Stout Construction. I wanted to take a minute and reach out to the community and see what we can do to help our neighbors and friends. They got so devastated here recently with the hurricane. Last time we had a call to action here at Ben Stout Construction, it was such a positive impact. We raised over 1,000 books, or brought in over 1,000 books. And had some personal stories about the impact that made. And what's taken place out there is such a big, heavy lift for so many people that have just truly lost everything. So game plan, what we're looking to do. Ben Stout Construction, we are going to be shipping stuff to those people that need it. We've contacted some operations that we're partnering up with to make that happen. So 12 o'clock Friday, we are going to be hauling everything down to a rendezvous point and then get into those people in need. So game plan, we are asking everybody in the community to do everything they can to bring in toiletries, non-perishables, water. I mean, if you lost everything, what would you need? You know, and that's truly the situation that these people are waking up to, and it's not going to be a quick fix. I mean, this is going to be a long-term situation that they're really going to need a lot of our help. So these are areas that we've all been to. Sometimes these situations take place, and forest fires in California, while impactful, maybe don't hit us like a situation like this does. So when we got together as a team this morning, we thought, well, what can we do? You can talk about it or you can take action. So I would encourage each of you who have supported us. Every time we ask for something, y'all have always been able to be a huge support of us. Our location, we're at 222 Maiden Lane here in Fayetteville. Again, 222 Maiden Lane in Fayetteville, right by the downtown library. We'll be taking everything, processing it, sorting it, and get it to those in need. So please take the time to see what you can do, see what you can find, bring it to us, and we appreciate your support.